What's up guys, Eric Choi here. Follow me for a crazy experience. My friend Sosa, he told me he just bought this Valkyrie. He told me come go on a ride with him and experience the race car on the road. This is insane. I will never think of riding in a Valkyrie.
Here's some info about the vehicle. The Aston Martin Valkyrie is a groundbreaking hypercar developed in collaboration with Red Bull Racing. It has a 6.5-liter naturally aspirated V12 engine developed by Cosworth, paired with an electric motor from Rimac with a combined output of 1100 horsepower. The Valkyrie only weighs 2,800 pounds. It is a compact car, shorter and just a little wider and almost a foot lower than the Porsche 911.
We have it all warm up, we have the 360, we have the POV. You guys gonna enjoy this video. Sosa, thank you for this experience. Ready? The first challenge, how to get in the car. I think there's some buttons down here. Oh, I found it, it's right there. This is not gonna be easy to get in. Again. Then we're gonna slide. Oh, we're in. Oh, yeah. On your seatbelt. Plug in the mic. Now we can talk to each other. Turn on the AC. GT3RS right there. I'm good. I'm ready. Let's go. I'll try to put the subtitle in there. This is such a special moment. I don't want you guys to miss any. Have you ever driven anything like this before? Not really. No comparison. No. It's a street level race car. It took us 30 minutes to warm it up, bro. This is a truly engineering masterpiece. Everybody's like, what the heck is this? Once in a lifetime experience. After the AMG car, I got the experience. This is insane. It's the same but it's a different and what's this one? What is it? Fire suppression. Oh, we don't want that. I love it. It ramped up to close to 11.
chance to turn the attitude up to 100%. Big shot go off, yeah, I'm at it again. Yeah, my suede jacket always bringing the magic. I got the top pulled down and my automatic. You know my everyday life may sound dramatic, but when you got
We are back at the garage.
Hope you guys enjoyed that drive along experience with it. I am pumped about it. The insane drivability, the acceleration, and you're hearing all the engine and gearing inside the car is unbelievable. It's an experience that you will never experience from another car.
Now let's talk a little bit about the spec of this car. Sosa told me that he spec'd this car basically identical with the prototype. There's two types of wheels that you can pick. There's one with a lot of cutout, like a honeycomb. That one's a heavier wheel. This is a more lightweight motorsport wheel. This 001 is a very, very expensive option. 001 means prototype name of the Valkyrie project. This stripe, the silver stripe here is also an option. This is not just a straight line. They put in the attention to detail to go do a cutout from the Aston Martin badge. How cool is that?
Here's the key to the $3 million Valkyrie. Carbon leather, carbon inside.
When we go inside the interior,
It's slightly different than other Valkyrie you see on the market.
because he had a seat. Some other Valkyrie, they don't have any seats. They only have a cushion into the monocoque. The reason for that is if you're a
Taller, bigger guy, that you won't fit in this cabin. For us, we fit in this perfectly, so he took the chance
to option a seat which is more comfortable for him. And he picked this very light green Alcantara to match the exterior. He doesn't want
anything super bright.
because he wants the interior to sunk in, to catch the attention from the outside. It's a very nice touch up for the interior. You also have a two-tone. The bottom doesn't have to be green. It's a black Alcantara, a green highlights here in the buttons, and he also picked a checker flag carbon for the dash, which is an option. The reason for that is because the engine bay, the engine cover inside is also in this checker flag carbon fiber. Let's take a look of the wheel. Slowly. All right. This is the key to the Valkyrie. You have all the buttons over here. The start, the neutral, launch control, wiper, turn signal. Everything is controlled under this wheel. How insane is that? This is everybody's dream. Oh, magnetic. Same as the one on my Porsche.
I love my magnetic pedal shifter. That is a race car feature.
He also optioned it with some red stripe on top. They're not sticker. They're painted onto the carbon fiber. How cool is that? A little red stripe there. A little bit of red stripe down here. Look how close that wheel is to the side skirt. Look. That's like a couple millimeter away. In the back, there's a red stripe here. And look at this. This tunnel go all the way through up front to the car. So basically, we're sitting shoulder to shoulder because it has an air channel going all the way up front to the car. The most extreme road legal race car on the road. Look at this crash structure. It's just like an F1 car. Amazing tail light. That is a design carry from the Vulcan.
I can stare at this all day.
And if you guys see that we have two pair of overhead mic over here, it's because inside the cabin,
When we're driving, all you hear is the engine, the gear, the transmission. You can't even have a conversation with the driver.
so the reason for this is you can put this on. It has a mic intercom system that you plug into the car. And you can have a proper
Conversation with your passenger. So this car cost him $3 million in total with spec.
But he also have
Another special car coming in, he want to share with us later. He said it's coming in soon. I'm looking forward into sharing that with you guys.
This is insane. That is another special car. I don't know if you guys know. This is the McLaren Sabre. This is a North America special edition. Only 15 of it in North America.
And it also has
It's a very sick
chameleon color paint. We'll come back for this one next time. We can't share all that in one vlog. That will be another vlog in the future. If you guys want to see more content like this with the hypercar supercar, make sure you guys to follow Sosa. I'm gonna make more content. Feel free to share, like, subscribe, and comment below the video. That's the most important thing and easiest way for you guys to support my channel. Hope you guys like the content. I'm gonna see you next time.